Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to create eye-catching Gible images online. If you're a social media influencer or just looking to spice up your personal feed, this is for you. Let's dive in. First up, you might be wondering, what exactly is a Gible image? Gible image slightly animated images that grab your viewer's attention without the file size of a full video. Perfect for boosting your online presence. All right, let's get into the top apps you can use to create these awesome. Number one on the list, Gible. Gible is super user-friendly. Just upload your photo or video, select the part you want to animate, and boom! You can even add text and filters to make it pop. Once you're done, or video, easy peasy. Next up, we have Giphy. Giphy isn't just for finding GIFs, you can create them too. Upload your images or video clips, use the editing tools to trim and customize and add effects. You can also add stickers from Giphy's library to make your Gible even more fun. Plus, you can share it directly to social media from the app. Moving on to number 3, Esgif. If you're a bit more offers more advanced options. You can create Gible images by merging multiple images, adding effects, and adjusting the animation speed. The interface is a bit basic, but it gets the job done effectively. Our fourth pick, Tenor. This app is great for quick, on-the-go Gible creation. Upload your media, add some cool effects and text, and you're set. It's particularly handy for making reaction GIFs or memes. Last, Canva isn't just for graphics, it also has an animation feature. Upload your media, use the animate button to add movement, and then export. Canva's vast library of templates and elements makes it easy to get creative. Alright, those are my top picks for creating Gible images online. Whether you go for the simplicity of Gible or the creative power of Canva, there's an option for everyone. So go ahead, give these apps a try, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.